We want to check in with Alexandra.
Hey, Jade, yeah, we are tracking, of course, Hurricane Michael. We'll get to our local forecast in just a minute because we have had some downpours in the New Orleans area already today. But here is Michael, a Category 1 storm, again, about to emerge into the southern and then eastern Gulf of Mexico, and could be a Category 2 storm with some rapid strengthening possible later today. Might be a major hurricane by tomorrow, perhaps. And unfortunately, that really isn't good news for the Florida Panhandle, where there will be some significant impacts, including storm surge, of course, those high winds, and also a lot of rain in the coming days, especially midweek at landfall on Wednesday. Here is why we're not expecting Michael to move into our area. We have a high which will be retreating to the east, and then this trough of low pressure and front moving in. So this will kind of direct it to the northeast. As you can see, this is by midweek. Here comes the front, actually bringing us our first taste of fall weather by the middle and end of this week, and also shoving Michael out to the northeast. And here is the high. Notice around that high, that's kind of the path that Michael is expected to take. So that is the steering pattern. Our local impacts for South Louisiana and coastal Mississippi do include some coastal flooding due to those prolonged east winds just pushing the waters up. So about 1 to 2 feet above ground level for those coastal areas, especially eastern facing shorelines. Also, we are expecting some rain as we head into tomorrow and early Wednesday. Few downpours possible, especially tomorrow, about 1 to maybe 2 or 3 inches or so. And then also breezy conditions with our east winds picking up. Our coastal flood advisory continues through tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. Again, for those slightly higher than normal tides, you'll definitely notice that along those eastern facing shorelines. And then our rainfall forecast, again, in these blues, even into the purples you're seeing here around Mississippi and coastal southeast Louisiana, that's indicating up to about 2 or 3 inches of rain. Over toward the Florida Panhandle around Panama City and a little bit farther to the east, 5 to 10 or so inches of rain isn't out of the question, and then possibly a little bit more for some localized areas.